Hey, today is the 17th of September, and today's treat is apple dumplings, because it's Apple Dumplings Day. But we also celebrate US Constitution Day, Wife Appreciation Day, so get those flowers ready, and National Pet Bird Day. So if you have a canary, a parrot, a dove, a crow, you name it, today's their day, get them some extra treats. Today's film recommendation is Crazy Stupid Love from 2011 with Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling. This film offers a mix of humor and heartfelt moments as it explores love and relationships. That's all for today and see you tomorrow.